Hi, I'm Kate, curriculum designer here at NuVuX. Today, we are going to do a fun low-fit elevate prototyping project that involves the simplest material that you definitely have around in your house or classroom, a paper bag. Sometimes projects can involve research, brainstorming, and sketching, a lot of planning before the making actually happens. Other times, when we are using very low-stakes materials like the paper bag, we like to say that students are thinking with their hands. They're designing and building at the same time. Today, we're going to do the NuVuX Grocery Bag Challenge. This activity would be great for School Spirit Week or as a way to celebrate the holiday. Whether you're having Wacky Wednesdays, Crazy Hair Fridays, or School Spirit Day, or the kids want to make an ugly sweater during the holidays, this is a great lo-fi prototyping project that teaches creative skills, allows for a lot of personal expression, and is just super fun. For our grocery bag challenge, we just made paper grocery bags, scissors, tape, or glue, or both, and some way of coloring the paper bag. So that could be paint, crayons, markers. For my project, I chose markers. It's great to do high energy, fast, low fidelity design challenges like this because student engagement is through the roof. It's easier for students to feel brave about being creative when there are clear constraints. Here, the material and the time frame are both constraints that allow for a super fun and engaging product. So as you can see, you can come up with all kinds of crazy fun things that you can create and make out of just a simple paper bag. This project could really work well for any age group, with the complexity increasing as the age group goes up. I would allow at least 30 minutes for this project so that the students can really have the time and space to get creative. It might also be fun to organize a fashion show at the end for them to showcase their work. We hope you enjoy this project in your class, and don't forget to share your projects and designs with us. You can email them to us or tag us at NuVuX on Instagram or Facebook. See you next time.